are waterproof. So today I was looking through some of the questions on Amazon for the board, see what people have questions and concerns about. The first question, are waterproof? Skatebolt responded by saying yes, riding in the rain or through a puddle will be fine. The other question, can I ride this in the rain? Skatebolt again replied saying, yes, the waterproof level of Skatebolt electric skateboard is IP33. Riding in the rain will be fine. It's not raining right now, but it looks pretty threatening. It's about 74 degrees right now. My weight is around 175 with my gear. So it rained today and the roads are semi-wet at the moment. So let's go see if we can find some puddles. Maybe it'll rain on us. Let's just find out. Legs are getting pretty wet from the wheels. Everything seems to be fine so far. As far as I can see there, everything looks fine. Yeah, you do have the keep dry right on the board. But the company is telling potential customers that you can ride it in the rain and ride it through puddles. Got some water on the camera. Get that off. This thing's just too fun. Just don't want to stop. Good to go now. Wet grass. Note to self, this thing will get slippery with wet grass all over the wheels. Some things are just so obvious, you don't even need to say them. Played on this playground when I was 6, and I'm still playing here. Yeah, this thing is fun. I'm impressed with the brakes. I'm impressed with this thing running in water.
High school.
The big building down there.
Okay. Buchanan Gym is back there?
Wet roads. No problem. So that's basically it. Are waterproof? No, but you can ride it on wet roads and ride it through puddles. And it's IP33 for whatever that's worth. So until next time, guys.